A warm greetings to one and all. Hi, this is Akshay from Naresh IT, and today we are going to discuss about pronunciation of the word. My dear student, proper pronunciation of word is really very important. Why I am saying this? Because if you are not having good communication, it leads to the many problems like misunderstanding and improper communication, as well as impression is down. As we know this thing, like first impression is the last impression. Everyone know this thing. Why? Because we know this thing, whenever we are conversing with anyone, whenever we are communicating with anyone, the people are concentrating on our words, what we are pronunciation, what we are pronouncing, what we are telling to them. So that's what pronunciation is really important while speaking with anyone. Okay, so my dear student, today I'm going to talk about English pronunciation. Student, tell me one thing. There are so many words, for example, schedule. What you will be calling it as? Schedule or schedule. Schedule or schedule. Both are correct. One more thing. education. Education. What you will be calling it as? Education or education. Which one is correct? Both are correct. Again. So these are what? These are few words which is having two different kind of pronunciation. Now we have to guess which is correct. Whenever we are having such kind of pronunciation of the words, we are in like confusion, like which pronunciation would be correct. So let me tell you one student, my dear student, one pronunciation is from UK and one pronunciation is from US. Both are correct, you can use both. But you should not have to use wrong pronunciation. For example, WERE. It means were. WERE, it means were. But most of the students and most of the people, while communicating with each other, they are using it as were. WERE, were. Were is wrong. WERE, were is correct. So dear student, you have to keep in mind there are so many words. So for that reason, what you have to do? Yes, what you have to do? You have to search the word in dictionary. First of all, you need to make sure what is the meaning of that word. And after that you have to Google it, the wording pronunciation. There you can type any word on Google. Google will show you how to pronounce that word. Listen that word carefully and use to speak, and you have to use that word in your day-to-day life. My dear student, knowing the knowledge or knowing the good words of vocabulary, or we can say it as you are having good knowledge of vocabulary, that doesn't mean like you are having command on pronunciation. Many times if you are wrong in pronunciation, people will be thinking in different manner. So you should have to know which pronunciation is suitable for which word. See, BECAUSE, because. It is because. Sometimes people are saying because. I only say it as, I only not. So many people are saying. Why? Because, see, because. Why? That is what accent. Accent to accent pronunciation is changing. Earlier I have presented one more example. For example, SCHEDULE, schedule and schedule. In UK it different, in US it different. Schedule, schedule. EDUCATION, 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 different. Again, so this is what misunderstanding should not be created, and you have to check whether I am speaking with proper pronunciation or not. Okay, one more thing. Weather. WHETHER. WETHER. WETHER means what? WETHER means mail ship. How you should have to pronounce it as? Weather. Weather. If you are pronouncing it as weather, weather, then it leads to problem. Weather means what? Weather means what? Atmosphere. That is having the spelling like WEATHER. WEATHER means what? Weather, atmosphere. So how you have to pronounce it as? Weather, weather. Okay. Again, WHETHER means what? Expressing a doubt or choice. Expressing a doubt or choice between the given choices. This is what the thing. One word is having different pronunciation with a different meaning, but which one we have to use? It should be known to us. So for that reason, what we have to learn today? Today we have to learn that thing that our pronunciation of the word will be very good. Whenever I will be talking with anyone, it should not lead any problem like misunderstanding, improper communication or impression down. My dear student, it's really important to concentrate on the pronunciation of different words. See, one more impact of pronunciation is there, ed. For example, take any word which is having ed. J-U-M-P, jump, J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. So it should be jumped. It should not be jumped. So many people are saying jumped. It is wrong. Jumped, jumped. It is correct. So for that reason, what you have to do is, it's happened with everyone. Whenever people are new English learner, or the people those who are learning new vocabulary of the word, this is what a problem facing. So you people have to keep in mind, whatever the pronunciation I am speaking about the word, it should be 100% correct. For that reason, you can take help of Google, search a new word, whatever the word you are getting, search that word and check the pronunciation of the word in a proper way. If you are checking that kind of words in proper way, and if you are using, then only it is applicable and it will not leads to a problem like misunderstanding or any improper communication. This is my main motto of this video. One more thing that I want to give you, that is what tips for a proper communication. With every new word, you should look it up in dictionary to find the correct pronunciation. Okay, it's really important. Why it is important, my dear students? Because if you people are looking the words in dictionary, and if what is the meaning of that word, then you will be getting. Why? Because without knowing the meaning, but you are guessing, yes, it should be the meaning of that word, and you are using that, that is not meaningless. No, that word is not having any meaning. Whenever you are using, and whenever you are using any word, and that word's meaning, you don't know, then what is that use of that word? That is what, just simply you are showing, I know this kind of English, that's what I am using this word. No, student, don't do such kind of silly mistakes. Whenever you are using any word, make sure that before using that word, you should know the proper pronunciation of that word, as well as you should know the meaning of that word. See, meaning wise, the pronunciation of word is changing. This is what very important thing that you people have to keep in mind. The next thing is what? Listen the native English speaker. Listening is a really important thing. My dear student, listening comes under verbal communication, and being a good verbal communicator, what you have to do is, you need to speak very properly, you need to listen very properly, you need to write very properly, and you have to read very properly. So that you people have to keep in mind. Your LSRW should be really superb, outstanding and good. Being a verbal communicator, you must require it. The next thing is what? Practice in front of the mirror. Practice makes man perfect. No, I'll not say it as. Perfect practice makes man perfect. My dear students, perfect practice makes man perfect. Why? Because if your practice is having some value, then it is what? A perfect practice. So give value to your practice. Whenever you people will be giving value to your practice, it means it is a perfect practice. Now, how to give perfect practice, how to give value for your practice? That means it would be like a perfect practice. Standing in front of mirror. Stand in front of mirror and show yourself that you are having a good pronunciation of the word. Moreover, what you can do is, you can grab so many words at a time and speak it. If you are having any problem within a tongue, you should say some things like kacha papad pakka papad, kacha papad pakka papad, kacha papad pakka papad, kacha papad pakka papad, so many number of times. If your tongue is having such kind of habits, then what will be creating? Any kind of pronunciation of word, you can grab it, you can take it. Your grasping power of that word's pronunciation should be very good. And if you are having that kind of quality, that means you can pronounce any word in very easy manner. Moreover, again, one thing I would like to mention here, if you know, there are so many songs, Hollywood movie songs are present on internet. Listen that song, concentrate properly on each and every single word, download the lyrics of that song, try to sing that song in that accent. I'm not telling you that you people have to take that kind of accent. You just have to concentrate. Why? Because that accent is their accent, and we Indian people are having our different accent. That accent, that what is that? Indian accent, it makes a very good thing. Why? Because foreigner people likes Indian English, and this is a reason like why we are communicating with them. Why? Because they like our communication. Whatever the word we are communicating with them, that is more clear to them. Right now I am speaking with you people. You are understanding me. Why you are understanding? Why? Because my pronunciation of words are really good. You know this thing, and because of that reason you are understanding. So that is the same concept I would like to tell you people. Pronounce the word in a very good manner, so that other person should not feel any doubt, other person should not leads to problem like a misunderstanding, improper communication, and so on. I hope you learned so many things from this video. Again, I am telling to you people that pronunciation of the word is really important. To learn pronunciation of the word, you have to do only few things, like check your pronunciation is correct or not from Google. If it is wrong, make it correct. Stand in front of mirror, check whether you are properly pronouncing the word or not, whether your lips are properly moving in front of mirror or not. This is what one thinks. If it is not, check how it should be from movies, that means Hollywood movies. Third thing is what? You need to listen Hollywood movie as well as English song, so that your pronunciations and accent will be understanding, so that you will be understanding pronunciation and accent of those people, as well as you will be having a bit habit to change your accent. I'm not saying that this video is not proving like we have to speak in different accent like foreigner. Just this video is showing you people that we have to speak in a proper pronunciation, so that it should not leads any problem like misunderstanding and improper communication. This is motive of this video. Thank you for watching this video under Naresh IT. Thank you so much.